Hey guys, we are going to continue on our next section. This section is about multiplying multi-digit decimals. In our previous lessons, you learned that when we are multiplying multi-digit decimals, that we are simply going to pretend that they are just like whole numbers, right? So when I set these up and wrote them, they have them written horizontally. We need to write them vertically. You'll notice that on multiplying, I don't line up the decimals. I'm going to take whichever one has more digits and put it on the top, and then whichever one has fewer digits and put it on the bottom, or if they're the same, either one can go on top. And then I'm going to multiply using the standard algorithm, just ignoring the decimals for now, multiplying just like I would with whole numbers. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 3 is 12, plus 1 is 13. 3 carry the 1. 4 times 6 is 24, plus 1 is 25. Then I always go through, mark out any numbers we've carried for regrouping. I mark out the number that's in this place value, and I bring down a 0 and put a line through it, just because it helps me remember where that 0 comes from. 4 times 3 is 12. 3 times 3 is 9, plus 1 is 10. 6 times 3 is 18, plus 1 is 19. Now that I'm here, hopefully I've lined them up well enough that I'm able to go through and pretty quickly add the numbers down. Now, my answer is not going to be 21,556 because remember we have those decimals at the top. I like to make loops and then count the loops and then total that to see. Well, on this top number, I moved it 2 because it was in the hundredths place, 1 because it was in the tenths, and whatever I got here is the number that I'm going to have to start on the right and move it 1, 2, 3. So my answer on number 7 is 21.556 or 21 and 556 thousandths. On the next one, I'm going to repeat the same thing. Pause the video so you can work it out on your own, and then come back when you're finished and check your work with mine. Okay, we have 9 times 1, 9 times 1, 3 times 1. Next step is to cross out the number that is in the lower right-hand corner. Then I bring down the 0. Now I'm going to continue to multiply just like their whole numbers. 9 times 8 is 72. 9 times 8 is 72 plus 7 gives us 79. 8 times 3 is going to be 24 plus 7 gives us 31. Carry the 1 when you get 11. 9 plus 1 is 10, plus 3 is 13. 1 plus 1 is 2, and then 3. Again, my answer is not 32,319 because I come back to the top. And I'm just using red because I think it makes it a little bit easier for you to see where I'm doing those loops. 1, 2. And I rewrite my answer in the correct format. Okay, multiplying multi-digit numbers pretty easy. You're going to take a moment now to solve the problem on the right. Solving problem number 9 on your notebook paper. Also, please notice that it says round to the hundredths.